If your Samsung Smart TV is not turning on even when you can see the red light, or if the TV is stuck on black screen, won't show anything, but is still playing sound, then I'll show you how you can fix these issues in just a few minutes. If you see the red standby LED under your TV, then we'll try to turn it on using the physical power button. That should be right below the Samsung logo. If your TV turns on this way, then it's definitely your remote that's not working. So you need to troubleshoot your remote first, and if you need any help with it, you can watch our video on that. Now, if the LED light is not turned on, then check if your TV has power. Unplug the cable to cold boot or soft reset your TV. Then check the cable for damage, connect it firmly to your TV and the power outlet. Additionally, you can try plugging it into a different socket and try changing the cable. Also, unplug any external devices connected through HDMI, such as console, TV box, or laptop, and then turn your TV back on. Now your TV display should work. Unfortunately, if your TV display is still blacked out, then this may be a hardware issue, so you should contact an experienced technician or Samsung support for further assistance. If this video helped you out, you can subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.